What's up, you guys? Back with another video. So this time I'm gonna review and unbox the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It's my first gimbal. I never had a gimbal before, so I'm really excited about this product. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so what we have here is the combo version. So it comes with a carrying case and a tripod, and so you can see this is the latest one that supports Android and iPhone users. So it comes with a wrist strap, storage pouch, power cable, the gimbal, and the carrying case and the tripod. So let's check it out. Alright, so I got two items here. The first one is the pouch. So I got that nice Osmo DJI logo on it. And it's the star of the show, the gimbal. Alright, so the second item must be, check it out. Okay, so it's a tripod. There's the DJI logo on it. Okay. Alright, so the next one that we have is... Alright, so it's the strap. And let's check out the other one. It's a carrying pouch. So it's nice. And of course, the last one from the box is the charging cable. So it's the latest and the third edition of DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this gimbal. It's my first gimbal, so I'm really excited. Alright, so this is what it looks like if we put them all together. See the tripods here. Okay, and this is the gimbal. Alright, so I cannot wait to review this product. I'm gonna do some B-roll with this. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's mounted all together. This is the phone over here. This is a tripod. So yeah, there you go. And this is the gimbal. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try out different modes. So I'm walking around and trying to get some shots, some B-rolls, and I'm trying the hyperlapse, the time lapse, and some story mode as well. So it's gonna be interesting. hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Right now I'm heading towards my car. I'm heading home. So the conclusion is, if you want a gimbal that offers great value to your money and it does everything for you, photos, videos, yeah, this is the best gimbal that you can get for now. So I highly recommend. Thumbs up to this gimbal. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next video. Ciao.